There is no marketplace in the world without a computer. At one point in time, there was also a belief that computers would take away human jobs and are not necessarily the best thing for creating new employment opportunities. Over the last decade and a half, we have witnessed India surge and establish its presence as a country providing IT services globally. And contrary to the popular belief, the IT services sector over the last 7 to 8 years has been the major contributor to the employment in our country and also the states. So, computers have created jobs. They are continuing to create jobs. That's why the emphasis of the government of India and the state of Andhra Pradesh. India is endowed with quality human resource for the IT sector. At one point in time, what was thought as a bane for the country is now delivering dividends. The country not only has the quality, but also the quantity. I am happy to say 1 in every 3 IT professionals globally is from our country. Now, IT can now be safely termed as Indian talent, the definition of IT. World is going through massive changes. There are recessionary trends everywhere. Even in advanced country like the United States, struggling to pull itself out of deep economic crisis. Together, we have to work ourselves out of this crisis. We have hugely dependent economy now. About 60% of our IT exports are to the US, and about a good chunk of the remaining is to the UK and Europe. We cannot ignore what is happening globally. As a matter of fact, we firmly believe that investing in IT is not a luxury, but a need and a necessity of the time. It's a differentiator, as you know. In today's financial market, if you see the companies with the highest market capitalization, inevitably the top would be filled by the IT sector. Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, etc., they're all IT companies. Imagine a day passing by without Googling or Facebooking. It is impossible for most of us. Corporations would and should continue to invest in IT regardless of the economic position. Investing in IT is a matter of existence. In a down economy, corporations are looking forward to cutting down on the costs, and that's where India, and specifically the state of Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad, take an advantage by offering arbitrage benefits. Let me present you some encouraging facts about our state of Andhra Pradesh.